Hey! Hola, hola, hello beautiful people, welcome back to Elastic Videos. We're back again on another video. Yo, I've never done a kitchen video on my channel, but I had to do this one because I saw a post today of a lady on Instagram, and she said her friend recently taught her to make, poundo yam, semo, swallow, Nigerian or African swallow in general that you dip and put in stew, everything. Her friend taught her to make it with the microwave and to put water and to put it in the microwave, and it just solidifies instead of pounding, or instead of trying it on the pot and then it has lumps, which is cocoa. You don't want cocoa. So I saw that post and I was like, I saw in the comments it seemed a lot of people didn't really know about it, but I wanted to make sure to just make a video. I don't know if it's gonna help, but this is how it works. This is how you do it. It's so fast, it's so quick, so easy. You can do it with amala. It works with anything. The point of it is just to make it in a paste, and it will just work, guys. It will really work. So let me just show you all, and I'm so excited to do this. So feel free, definitely subscribe. If you're seeing this my beautiful Nigerian face for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Come back for more, and yes, I'm gonna show you all of this good stuff. Okay, yo, this poundo yam I'm going to be using. I actually used ola, my name is Ola, so ola. I usually use ola, but I like this one as well, oloye, and I'm sure you all can use anyone you have. Alright friends, so we can go ahead and pour the pounded yam inside. This is the one I'm using. I use anything for amala, elubo, semo, anything you want. You don't have to, it depends on the size you want, but really this works for any size. But usually this is the size I make, like right there. If you want it a little bit thicker, you can add that too. Let it rest. And then, you know how when you're making custard or pap, you just add water to thicken it up a little bit. So we can go ahead and add our water, just normal water from the tap. Yo, I'm not too good with this camera food positioning thing, but not hot water. It has to be cold, like lukewarm like this. It has to be cold water, because if it's hot, then to start having lumps and your cocoa is going to start. But you don't want it to have any of that. Cold water is not going to make it have any lumps because it's just cold water. You can do this in a bigger bowl, smaller bowl, whatever you want. But it all works very well. See, it's going to be like mashed potatoes. You see, it's going to be like mashed potatoes, but you make sure that it doesn't have any powder. Just make sure that the water covers every part of it. Just like that. See? The powder is going away. I definitely use bigger bowls, but this is what I use when I want to do it fast. See? So it will just be like mashed potatoes, just literally, see, soft, okay? See, no more powder, right? Now, you can't just eat it like this because it's raw. So what we need to do now is, you can dress it up a little bit. Now it's all just paste. It's all just paste, no powder, right? So now you can just add a little bit of water on top for it to go inside the microwave, okay? You add a little bit of water. Alright friends, so we put it in for, I usually do 3 minutes, but if you want it to cook very well, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So let's do 4 minutes. Sometimes, I know it's good to cover, sometimes I cover, sometimes I don't, but it's definitely good to cover your food with microwave. So this is what I do. Sometimes if you do want to use a pot, that works as well. Just always make sure you turn it into a paste with cold water first. With your water, you turn it into a paste inside your pot. If you're using a pot, turn it into paste as with cold water inside your pot, and then you now pour boiling hot water, and while you're pouring the boiling hot water, you stir it, and it's very easy. You don't have to pound. You can just use a normal spoon and it's ready, okay? So it's going to stay in there for 4 minutes. Usually, sometimes I check in midway, but you don't have to do that. Just leave it for 3 minutes, 4 minutes. the point of that is it's going to solidify, it's going to, you know, cook and everything, and it's going to make it like swallow quality, you know. Alright, perfect. Ooh, it's hot, so let's get it out. Break the plates. Wow, look at that. See? Can you see it's literally thick already, like it's ready. You just have to stir it and it's yum. Normally, by the time it gets to this, I just, oops, it's still hot. I just open it up myself like this and I just eat it like this from the bowl with my soup. I plan to egusi like I told you guys, but for the purpose of this video, let me finish stirring it. You know, you dress it up. It's ready. Like I said, if you need it to be a bit softer, you can always add normal cold water a little bit. Can you see? It's really ready. So you can make it thick from the beginning or a little bit softer, but this is ready for us to chow. You know, you have to add your oil to your spoon to make it a little bit, you know, oily, so that you can dress your poundo yam. So you can dress your poundo yam or your amala or anything you want very well. Can you see how nice and free of lumps it is? There you have it. Eat. Take you your soup. I'm going to warm my soup after this, and then you power. And that's the power of doing it with your microwave. Quick, simple, and easy. Alright guys. Yo, this is funny to me, like doing the actual kitchen video. I've never done that on this channel. But yo, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. If you knew this before, great. This is it. When you need to do your thing, your swallow fast. Don't deprive yourself of good food because you're too tired to stay or you feel like to have lumps. No, just get it in a plate, put your cold water, put it in the microwave, bring it out, stir, you're ready to eat as soon as possible. It's ready for egusi, for okra, for ofensala, for all those things, you know. But I'm a Yoruba girl with Yoruba soup, so maybe someone come and enlighten me more on Igbo soups. But let me know down in the comments if you've tried this before. If you haven't tried this, I know I saw it on Instagram and I just want to share with you all. Yeah, I'm also just going to go out right now to finish up my skating practice and then I'm going to come back to eat it. Don't mind me, I don't want to eat it cold, but I'm just going to skate for like 20-30 minutes and come back to eat it, okay? Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, come back for more. I don't know if we'll ever do more kitchen videos, but we don't know. Let's see how it goes. But yes, shout out to the Instagram post of the lady that said her friend taught her. That's what inspired me to do this, because I saw in the comments people saying, wow, I need to see a video of this to believe it. Yes, it works, and it works very, very well. So I hope you all learned something new. Thank you so much. God bless you. On here we do millennial talks, self-help development, faith, lifestyle content, some reaction videos, some Nigerian content once in a while, and we do new finds, things to just inspire, grow, learn, and flourish together, okay? Yo, before I forget, trust me, I have to promote my book on here. So I recently launched a new book, Effective Laziness. Yo, go ahead and check it out. I think we're in the spirit of effective laziness. Like literally, doing this is just being more efficient, achieving more with less instead of you're able to just it's ready and you go. So go ahead and check out my book, guys. If you're still by for the first time, I'm glad now you know about my book. So go ahead and check it out. You can buy the version on Kindle or physical version also on Amazon. Everything is available for you. Link is in my description. Okay. Yo, go ahead and check it out. Simple guides to make the most out of your lazy, to grow, to learn, flourish, and be efficient in everything that you do, and to embrace your times of rest and your times to just relax, recharge, and to do things more efficiently. Okay, thank you all so much. See you again soon. Let me know what's your name in the comments, where you're from, if you've tried this, if you're trying this, you can use it, do it with amala, with semo, with poundo yam, with wheat, with anything. I've told you before, anything swallow. You can do it with custard, anything powder that then gets to a swallow form. You can do any of that. So let me know if you're doing that tonight or this week and what soup you're eating it with, and feel free to DM me at ola_olasoju. Share with me, share what you made with your microwave with me, okay? But yeah, whenever you can, I mean, you can always use your pot, but yeah, when we're students, we're trying to do things quick, we use the microwave. It works, and it works well, okay? Thank you all so much. God bless you. Come back for more. Subscribe, share, and see you all again on the next one. God bless you. I want to see you on the comments, so go there right now and let me know. Let me know if you've tried this, if you've learned this. If this has helped you, feel free to share it, and feel free to just say hi in the comments to every other person. God bless you all. See you again soon. Bye.